Welcome. In this video, we'll cover how to seamlessly add YouTube videos to your Squarespace website using the Embed block. Embedding videos is a fantastic way to enhance your site with engaging content, be it for marketing, tutorials, or creative portfolios. We'll specifically focus on using the Embed block and managing the Autoplay feature, including its limitations and best practices as of December 2025. Throughout this series, you'll learn practical steps to make your Squarespace site more dynamic and engaging. The Embed block is your primary tool for integrating external content like YouTube videos into Squarespace. To use it, simply navigate to the page editor, click Add Block, and select Embed. This block allows you to paste the YouTube video's embed code. You can find this code on YouTube by clicking Share, then Embed under the video. The Embed block also supports customization via the design panel for size, alignment, and other settings. First, go to your desired YouTube video and obtain the embed code. Next, in Squarespace, add an embed block where you want the video to appear. Paste the embed code into the provided field within the block. Squarespace's responsive design ensures the video will scale appropriately on different devices, especially mobile screens, thanks to updates in Squarespace 7.1 and YouTube's responsive embeds. Autoplay functionality allows YouTube videos to start playing automatically when a page loads. This feature can enhance user engagement but comes with important restrictions due to modern browser policies. As of 2025, most browsers, like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, disable autoplay by default unless the video is muted. This policy prevents unwanted audio from playing without user interaction. To enable autoplay in Squarespace, access the Embed block settings after adding your video. You'll find the autoplay toggle there, along with other customization options. Remember to always set the video to mute when enabling autoplay. This ensures compliance with browser restrictions and creates a better user experience by avoiding sudden audio playback. You can also configure additional parameters like looping the video or setting a custom start time by modifying the player parameters in the embed URL, such as adding autoplay equals 1, mute equals 1, loop equals 1, or start equals XX. Within the embed block, locate the settings panel where you can toggle autoplay on or off. To ensure autoplay works reliably, add mute equals 1 to the video's embed URL. You can also add loop equals 1 to make the video loop continuously and start equals XX to specify a starting time in seconds. For example, modify the iframe source URL like this: autoplay equals 1 and mute equal 1. You can also add loop equals 1 and start parameters as needed. Always test your settings on different devices to confirm they function as expected. If you're encountering problems with your YouTube embeds, here are some common troubleshooting steps. First, if autoplay isn't working, double-check that the video is muted. Browser restrictions require videos to be muted for autoplay to function. Make sure you've added autoplay equals 1 and mute equals 1 parameters to the embed URL. Second, if the video isn't displaying correctly, verify that the embed code is pasted accurately. Check for any missing characters or formatting errors in the iframe code. Third, ensure your Squarespace site is up to date. Platform updates can affect embed functionality, so verify you're using the latest version. Fourth, clear your browser cache. Cache data can interfere with video loading. Here's how to clear cache in different browsers. Finally, if problems persist, consult Squarespace's official documentation or contact their support team for personalized assistance. Looking ahead, video embeds are becoming more interactive, with features like YouTube chapters integrating into Squarespace for engaging, non-linear experiences. Soft autoplay, where videos start muted, is also gaining traction to comply with browser policies and improve user experience. Future trends may include AI-enhanced autoplay that predicts user preferences and VR/AR video embeds for immersive sites. Stay informed about YouTube API updates and Squarespace enhancements to keep your site at the forefront of video integration. The future of video embeds promises innovation and engagement.